it's fast.
We're about 27 seconds out from making the biggest cheer that Russell Street has ever heard. This is going to be bigger than New Year's Eve. Ladies!
To the Repco Bathurst Street Party. Hey boys, tell me what it feels like to come back to Bathurst as the defending champions. Congratulations on the golden ticket. All the very best for the week ahead. Look forward to catching up with you on track.
Thanks guys, thank you very much.
Alright, it is time for a quick break here in the Repco Bathurst Street Party. Coming up next, the PIRTEK is sort of just getting us ready for it, isn't it? Because I think we're going to cover the forecast for tomorrow, maybe Sunday. Do you know something you don't?
After the pit stop, so I would have just won it instantly. So, no, help JC. Is this your first one?
Yeah, it is. It's a pretty loose setup here. So I thought we just launched it out and see, but apparently
from car controllers to mechanics, only the two rubber guns. So it's those four-tyre, two-tyre stops that four-tyre, two-gun stops that we saw so much through these Super 3 races. And then he jacks it up with the right nuts around it, and around it will speak to the winning driver. There is a finish line that you can cross, and once he gets to that point.
Yeah, just take it over time, don't try to do too much, and yeah.
There will be a chance for sure. If we're good enough, then that's our day.
It does shape up as a cracker, but there's 5 or 6 really red hot combinations. It's going to be fast.
It's going to be really fast. That's the thing. Like I think.
Slow right down. So it's just common sense for us as drivers to slow down. But I think it's going to match strategies.
It's not big enough, is it? Congratulations, you booked your spot in the finals. Is it in a week's time as we kick off the final?
This was the Supercars final.
It's high speed with high energy.
And 5, 4, 3, and chip!
On the mountain, ready to go, and it's just going to be a great weekend.
There really isn't another sporting event like it. PIRTEK Pit Stop Challenge underway. Great to see you, James. Have a great week.
Thanks, Jess. Appreciate it.
All right, Chad, over to you.
Yeah, we're just behind you, and I can definitely confirm it is certainly slipperier than what it was for semi-final number 1. This is an all Brad Jones Racing semi.
Work really hard and they take a lot of pride in it, so hopefully we can do them proud today and take home.
could have two cars that
Guaranteed.
getting two cars into the field. The last time they met was 2020 in a semi-final. And Mac has actually got the very side. They are the very best in pit lane road racing, so this will be good.
But yeah, nothing really beats a fast car. Us with the 2021 victory for me, it was.
Through the S motorsport and through the finish line, you have to do 2 laps though. That is the trick to this one. Now fellas, are you comfortable with the rules? You feeling like you're up for this? Cars are working. Can you stand on the barrel? I don't think.
To the Repco Bathurst Street Party. Hey boys, tell me what it feels like to come back to Bathurst as the defending champions.